Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renee. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit. You guys, when I tell you I am feeling myself, I am feeling myself. I haven't felt like this in such a long time, especially with like a full frontal, like y'all, this hair is absolutely amazing. So it was sent to me from OMGHerHair. All hair details will be down in the description box below. When I received the hair, like I did not have to do any plucking whatsoever. I did not do any plucking. I believe the knots, well, I won't say the knots were bleached, but I believe the lace was slightly tinted and I did not have to do anything. I did co-wash this hair. So the state that you guys see it in was in a blow dry state. And I just love how nice and free this hair feels. Like it takes curls so well, not curls, it takes curling iron very, very well. I love it so much. I'm just, you know, like I keep staring in the mirror, but like y'all, sweetie, baby, I love this hair so much. I love how this hair and this look overall turned out. I was already confident enough at the very beginning, but once I did that final curl and I saw how it was looking, I'm just like, baby, when I put these earrings in, I'm just like, honey, like it's giving and it looks absolutely amazing. So as always, all hair details will be down in the description box below. So do check that out. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed and curled and styled this unit, then baby, keep on watching. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is the final look. I am so in love with the overall look of this hair. Like, the quality is amazing. The curls are curling. The gold, the melanin, the curls, the green, the jewels, the nails, you guys, everything about this look, even down to the makeup. Get into the makeup. Like, I absolutely love how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All hair details will be down in the description box below, so do check that out. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop your comments below, hit that subscribe button, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renee, TikTok at tamara.renee, and keep up with me on my blog. You guys, I updated my blog. I updated it, okay? www.tamararenee.com. Check it out. I uploaded some new looks on there for you guys to check out with all the details and everything. Yeah, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.